Hi, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today, we're going to learn how to refund and cancel orders on your Wix site. But before that, here's an important heads up from Wix. Payments made using manual payment method and with certain payment providers need to be provided outside of Wix. And before you can refund a PayPal order, you need to enable advanced feature. We're going to leave a link to Wix's Help Center for you to find out more about those things. And with that out of the way, let's get started. So go to your site's dashboard and on the left, go to Sales, then go to Orders. Now, here on your order list, look for the order that you want to refund and mark as canceled, and then click on it. On this page, click on More Actions at the top and select Cancel and Refund. A pop-up window will appear. Review the details of this order cancellation. Check the refund amount and tick Update Inventory to return the items back to stock. This option is available for Wix Store's site for tracking inventory amounts. Also, tick this checkbox to send your customer a confirmation email informing them that their order has successfully been refunded and canceled. And below, though optional, you can leave a personal note or message. Make sure to review everything as it can't be undone. Once everything's all good and ready, click on Continue, and another warning pop-up will appear. So cancel this order and mark as refunded for the full amount of these changes can't be undone. So once you're sure, click on Cancel Order to confirm and complete the action. And there you have it. The order has successfully been marked as refunded and canceled. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you found this video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.